Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Flute Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is an 18 by 24 inch canvas. My only intention is to add some black so that I can add some colors later, and I want to keep some of the white. So this is just a stage one. I'm going to use every tool I've got at my disposal. I wanted to use a little gold. I also thought about silver. I think that's good for right now. I'd like to come back and add some white. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.